on this 2010 to 2017 Honda Accord with the 2.4 gas engine. P0976 points us toward a possible short in the shift solenoid valve B control circuit. In plain language, the computer may be seeing that circuit pulled low when it should not be. The driver may notice limited shifting or fail-safe behavior, and the broad areas we're concerned with are the solenoid wiring and terminals, the SHB control wire, and the PCM side of the circuit. Before getting deep into it, save the captured data and any onboard snapshot with the HDS, then use that information to help reproduce the operating conditions. Also keep the direction of this code clear. This is an electrical circuit fault path, not a mechanical transmission failure path. Start by duplicating the failure. Select on mode with the engine start/stop button, clear the code with the HDS, then start the engine. With the brake pedal pressed, shift to D and wait for at least 3 seconds, then move the shifter back to P. Now check the HDS for pending or confirmed P0976. If P0976 is indicated, the failure is duplicated and we move on to isolate the circuit. If P0976 is not indicated, treat it as an intermittent condition. At that point, the system is okay at this time, so concentrate on poor connections and loose terminals from the shift solenoid valve B toward the control side. If that return point is unclear, pause, recheck the earlier diagnostic path, and avoid guessing past what you have confirmed. If the code duplicated, turn the vehicle OFF and disconnect the shift solenoid valve B2P connector. Then select on mode again, clear the code with the HDS, start the engine, hold the brake, shift to D, wait for at least 3 seconds and return the shifter to P. Check again for pending or confirmed P0976. If P0976 is still indicated with the shift solenoid valve B connector disconnected, the solenoid is considered okay for this path, and the next check is the SHB wire. If P0976 is not indicated with that connector disconnected, the fault is shift solenoid valve B, and the repair direction is to replace the secondary valve body, which includes shift solenoid valve B. With the connector disconnect test pointing past the solenoid, turn the vehicle OFF. Jump the SCS line with the HDS, then disconnect PCM connector B, the 51P connector. Now check continuity on the SHB circuit between PCM connector B 51P terminal No. 4, the pink wire, and body ground. This check is done with the vehicle in OFF mode, the shift solenoid valve B2P connector disconnected, and PCM connector B51P disconnected. If there is continuity to body ground, repair the short to body ground in the SHB wire between shift solenoid valve B and the PCM. If there is no continuity, the SHB wire is okay, and the repair direction is to replace the PCM. One behavior to keep in mind while diagnosing this code: when P0976 is stored in the PCM, the transmission does not shift to any gear other than first, second, or fifth gear because of the fail-safe function. After the repair path is completed, verify the repair by repeating the same operating check used at the beginning. Clear the code, run the brake applied derange check, return to P, and confirm P0976 stays gone as a pending or confirmed code. The key on P0976 is to avoid treating it like an internal mechanical transmission complaint. Prove the code, unplug the solenoid to see whether the fault stays with the circuit or drops out with the solenoid, then check the SHB wire for a short to ground before making the final repair call. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.